Hello. Sitting beside me is Barry Stewart Mann, just off an airplane, newly arrived in Chennai, first time in Chennai, first time in India. It is Wednesday, 31 July, and Barry is going to be leading workshops this Friday and Saturday. Please join if you have not joined yet. Tell us about the workshop, Barry.
Well, first, Eric, I'm going to say that I have been, participating in the Chennai Storytelling Festival for 6 years now. I have known this man for 6 years fairly closely, and it's the first time we've actually been in the same room together, so it's a real treat. And I also look forward to, being in the same room with some of you out there whom I've known through the 6 years. This is a workshop that is part of a Fulbright Nehru Specialist project that is done through the United States State Department and sponsored in India by the United States India Educational Foundation. And it features the work that I do in the United States all the time on teaching across the curriculum using drama and storytelling. So under my project, I'll be in schools, I'll be in colleges, I'll be working at a theater, but this is one of the only times that I'll be working with the general public, with storytellers, with teachers, with parents, with whoever wants to show up. And we're going to be looking at arts integration and integrating storytelling and drama throughout the curriculum. It's going to be a lot of fun. We have sessions, half-day sessions on Friday and Saturday this week. So if you haven't signed up, we hope that you will sign up and join us.
And by the way, I believe one reason that you were awarded this Fulbright status is that your project matches very closely with India's national education policy and CBSE curriculum, both of which are promoting the arts in education.
Yes, that's true. And in our proposal to the Fulbright Commission and to the USIEF, we featured language directly out of the National Education Policy, which talks about arts integration, talks about dealing with the whole child, about experiential learning, and even about the enjoyment of that should be a part of learning. And we know that as storytellers, those of you who are storytellers, and as teachers, and so we're going to be featuring that in the workshops this week. Hope you can join us.
So learning should be fun?
Learning should be fun.
Oh.
Yes, I have a lot of fun in what I do. So I hope you'll join and have some fun with us. Thank you all. Hope to see you this weekend.